Welcome back to the 7th video in the common progression series, where we are treating one single chord progression and its variations that allows us to unlock many songs instantly on the piano. After watching this video, if you are new to this channel, I would suggest you check out several other common progressions we've treated in the past, and I will leave the link in the description box below. Now for this video, we'll be centering on popular gospel songs that utilize the 1-5-6-4 chord progression. This chord progression is also known as the Do, Sol, La, Fa. Now before revealing the songs, let's quickly reveal how this chord progression sounds. So now that you understand how this chord progression sounds, let's relate it to the piano. So if we're to be in the key of C sharp, you know our first chord is going to be C sharp major chord. Our fifth chord is going to be G sharp major chord. Our sixth chord is going to be B flat minor chord. And our fourth chord is going to be F sharp major. Okay? You can find this in the chorus of What a Beautiful Name It Is by Hillsong. What a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus Christ our King. What a beautiful name it is. You can also find this in This God Is Too Good by Nathaniel Bassey. I will worship you forever, love you forever, because this God is too good. Also, you can find this in I Give Myself Away by William McDowell. I give myself away. I give myself away so you can use me. Most times in this song, when transiting from the sixth chord to the fourth chord, the fifth chord can be used as a passing chord in between them like this. Give myself away so you can use me. We also have My Everything by Jometto. Oh, 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 oh. How can I express my gratitude, Lord? The chorus of Here I Am to Worship also use this chord progression. Here I am to worship, and here I am to bow down, and here I am to see that you're my God. We also have the chorus of Be Glorified by Don Moen. Every song that I sing, every prayer I pray, every offering I bring, Lord, I offer my life as a sacrifice. Be glorified. Now, just before proceeding, there's an important information I should have dropped at the earlier part of this video, which is the key difference between the 1-5-6-4 and the 6-4-1-5 chord progression. So if you look at it very well, you see that most times the 1-5-6-4 and the 6-4-1-5 are kind of similar. So the key difference between these two chord progression is their starting point. So songs that use the 1-5-6-4 chord progression starts from the chord 1, while songs that use the 6-4-1-5 chord progression start from the chord 6. Okay, so most of the songs we'll be treating in this video use the 1-5-6-4 chord progression, and hence they all starts from the chord 1, which is C sharp major chord. So the song At the Center of It All by Heben also use this 1-5-6-4 chord progression. At the center of it all is you that I see, is you that I see. You can also find this in the song Majesty by William Smith. Majesty, Majesty, your grace has found me just as I am. The song Zoe Zoe by Odunhayo Adebayo featuring Emmanuel Hiren also use this chord progression. Here's how it sounds. This life that I have is the life of Christ in me. Zoe, 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 Zoe. In the song Precious Lord by Sinach. Adore your name, precious Lord, I adore your name. We also have God is Able to Do by Dietrich Haden. God is able to do just what he says he would do. God is able. We also have I Am Not Alone by Carrie Job. I am not alone, and I am not alone. And you will go before me, and you will never leave me, and I am not alone. We also have Mamaya by Tim Godfrey. Mamaya, Mamaya, Ebube. Mamaya, Ebube. The song Sunansa by Steve Crown also used this chord progression. Sunansa, Mesetuna, you're all the way, all the way. Sunansa. We also have The Way You Father Me by Elijah Hoyelade. I love the way you father me. This is the way you father me. I love the way you father me. This is the way you father me. We also have More Than Anything by Corey Voss. The lover of my soul, you hold me close, you won't let go. All of my praise, my everything. Lastly, we have Forever by Heben. Forever I will praise your name, O Lord. Forever I will worship you, O Lord. Forever I will praise your name, O Lord.